What are you doing, Mateusz?
This.
This. What are you doing this?
He's washing up.
He's washing up.
Yes.
Well, do you know that this is the dishwasher? It'll wash itself. Why are you washing the dishwasher?
Yes, dishwasher.
Yeah, why are you washing the dishwasher?
Because
Because why?
it's like that. Because. Then me and mommy to say. Yeah, pa.
You two are very, very good. You two are just the best cleaners. Well done. Okay.
You can call Pua.
Yeah, Papa will see this. She won't believe that you're cleaning the dishwasher. The dishwasher cleans itself. Don't you understand?
No, after it's dirty.
Oh, I see. Okay, you two are very good. Okay, I'm going to stop here right now, and I'll put this onto YouTube. You'll see.
Into YouTube.